You can see that. When I turned it on, it was only squirting out of maybe one or two of those little holes. It wasn't much coming out. So there's, you see it's full holes. I got them all. I just put up to my mouth and blew through it. If you got an air compressor, it'd be. I have one. It's not plugged in. It's, you know, I had to go out to the garage but it worked. I got it clean. Brushed it and teeny tiny little wire bristle from a wire brush clipped off. Yeah, it's good enough. And then that's the screw has got 4 little holes in it. Made sure all those are clear. Clean that up. Put it back together. I think it's gonna work. It's really a big screw, and I made this tool fit down in there really good. It was pretty tight, but it's probably all, you know, goop in there, coffee and calcium and all that stuff, but I'm sure that's tight enough. Okay. All right.
Try it.
And we're just gonna run water through it now?
Sure.
We don't need any more vinegar, I don't think. Maybe I'll run a whole lot of water through it, maybe. That'll cause it to taste like vinegar.
Yay, coffee time.